Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share my first DIY video with you all. I have 10 easy, fast, and beginner-friendly DIYs from Dollar Tree. So let's just get right into the video. So for the first project, what you're going to need is a cup of your choice. The one I picked up at Dollar Tree was this white one with a gold line around the top. And the next item you're going to need are these rub-on gold foil transfers. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, figure out what you want to say on your cup. So I decided on my cup I was going to write Shop with Mimi. Next, you want to go ahead and cut out all of the letters that you're going to need to spell out what you want to design your cup with. And one by one, you go ahead and stick your letters onto the cup and rub it. I found that by rubbing it, it didn't quite work as well, so what I did was press and hold it for a while. These rub-on transfers didn't work as great as I expected. In a few spots I will show you, some of the tips did get cut off, so I wasn't able to do it perfectly, but it is just going to be used as displayed. I wouldn't suggest using these to drink out of. I will show you how I decided to use mine. Now for this next DIY, you're going to need a heart-shaped wood piece and these jewel boarded stickers and also these 3D butterfly stickers. You're going to need paint. I couldn't find pink paint, so I decided to pick up the white and the red, and also brushes of your choice. So first thing I decided to do was mix the white and the red paint to make this really pretty pink. I wasn't able to find pink paint at Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and made my own. I also made this bow out of burlap pink ribbon with some jute twine. And what you want to do is slide it through the hole, tie it in the back, and tape it down so it doesn't move. You can go ahead and leave your heart just like that, but I decided to add the 3D butterflies on one side of the heart. The good thing about this DIY project is that it is interchangeable and you can design your heart any which way you would like. Everything is removable, so you can go ahead and remove it. I will show you in a little bit a different way that I decided to decorate my heart. I also found these wall decals that had this heart sticker on it that I really liked, so I decided to pick that up and put it on my heart as well. This next DIY project is for a gift. I picked up these heart-shaped pink baskets. I decided I was going to fill them with all beauty and spa related items. I went ahead and picked up some hair masks, a lip oil, a bath bomb, a lip and under eye mask, some more heart-shaped bath bombs, and also some avocado and vitamin E infused face masks. And also some rose water and cucumber facial wipes. I also found in the gift wrap section these basket bags that came in a pack of 2. And I had never seen these pink ones, so this would be perfect for a Valentine's Day gift basket. So what you want to do is go ahead and place your basket in the basket bags, wrap it up, and tie it at the top and make it into a pretty bow and cut off the excess at the very top. Find your favorite ribbon or twine. I went ahead and chose this pink burlap ribbon. You want to go ahead and cut the bottoms to make it into a nice little bow, and there you have it. You have a Valentine's Day spa inspired gift basket. So for the next DIY project, I picked up 2 of these craft bottles. You want to go ahead and remove the stickers around the bottles so that you can fill it with your favorite items. The items I decided to go with were these heart-shaped chocolates and these Reese's Pieces cups. I went ahead and put these heart-shaped chocolates in each and placed one Reese's cup in both. Then you want to go ahead and take your favorite jute twine or ribbon and tie it around and make it into a pretty bow. I also decided to spice it up a little with a heart-shaped sticker. I found these felt heart-shaped stickers with a diamond in the middle. And there you have it. You can pass these out as your Valentines. Instead of the stickers, you can add a little note. Just make it your own. And for this next DIY project, you're going to need a vase of your choice and some flowers. You want to go ahead and place your flowers inside the vase. With your choice of ribbon, you want to go ahead and tie a pretty bow around your vase. And there you have it. You have a beautiful floral arrangement that you are able to display for Valentine's Day. And for the next DIY project, I picked up this purse-shaped box. And the next item you're going to need is this Floral Foam Box set. They come in 4 different foam boxes. And your choice of flowers. So the first thing you want to do is cut the corners of the top so that way you are able to glue it to the bottom part of the box so it looks like your box is just sitting open. Next, what you want to do is insert your floral foams into your box. You may need to cut it into the shape of your box depending how big it is. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and cut your flowers to the length of the inside of your box. You just want to go ahead and insert your first flower to make sure that the length works. And what you want to do is continue to insert your flowers covering the whole entire box. I wanted to make this look a little bit more Valentine's Day-ish, so I decided to take these heart-shaped foam picks and insert them right in the middle of the flowers. You can use this piece as decor in your house, or you can present it to someone that you care for as a gift. You can also insert a greeting card or anything of your choice. This next project, what you're going to need is 2 frames of your choice. And I also went ahead and picked out 2 Valentine's Day cards that I thought were the prettiest. What you want to do is go ahead and measure the card into them. And now you can display these beautiful Valentine's Day cards as decor pieces. For this next project, you're going to need these white clear candles, along with these felt heart-shaped stickers, and these glittered Valentine's Day stickers. You can go ahead and stick the stickers on however you would like, be creative, make a design, or pick out colors that match your decor. Just completely customize these candles. For this next DIY project, you're going to need this foam wreath and a selection of your favorite flowers. I went ahead and went with white roses and red roses. And if you'd like, you can pick out your favorite ribbon as well. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and cut out the flowers to the length of your wreath. And go ahead and insert them one by one. And there you go, you have yourself a completed wreath. You can leave it like this, or what I went ahead and did was add a ribbon bow to the bottom of the wreath. And with every season, you can go ahead and change out the color of the flowers and the color of your ribbon to match whatever holiday you are decorating for. So for this next project, what you're going to need is a box or a bag of your choice. I decided to go with this cardboard bag Valentine's Day box. And I also picked up these decorative shred in red. And you're going to need 2 different sizes of these wooden dowels. I went ahead and picked up these little ones and also these really long ones. Next, what you're going to need are these floral foam boxes and some tape. Now also along with all of these, you're going to need some snacks of your choice. I went ahead and picked up some hot Cheetos, some Twizzlers, heart-shaped chocolate box, some Oreos, some Snickers, M&Ms, and Reese's bar. So first what you want to do is go ahead and insert all of your floral foam boards inside the bag or box. Next you want to take your decorative shred and fill your bag or box to cover the floral foam. Next what you want to do is go ahead and face down all of your snacks. And for your bigger snacks, you want to use your bigger, longer dowels and just tape them to the back of each snack item that you decided to go with. And for the smaller snacks, you want to take your small and shorter dowels and tape those to the back. Because the heart-shaped candy box was a little heavier, I decided to go ahead and tape 2 dowels to the back of that. So what you want to do is go ahead and take all of your snacks and slowly insert them into the floral foam. This is one of my favorite DIY projects that I did. This is a perfect personalized gift item for someone that you love. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my first DIY project video. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!